Hello students, Nimshi Taylor here. I'm very glad to be back with you, and I would like to tell you I have covered so far chapter 1 to 12, 8 parts of speech, gender, number, person, simple present verbs negative, simple present direct verb, simple present negative, do, does, and the question also I have covered with that. Lots of sentence I have given. Present continuous I have covered positive negative questions. Present perfect I have covered positive negative questions. With that I also covered WH questions. I have given 102 questions with answers, and plus I have covered 51 English sentence with, may, might, will, shall, must, ought to, need to, have to, used to, mustn't. All this I have covered. I hope you have learned something out of it. Now I would like to go and teach chapter 13. Past simple tense. Was and were. Let's learn. Chapter 13, past simple tense. If you want to tell how you or others were in the past, it is not used to tell a past activity. We use was if the subject is I, he, she, it, and were if the subject is you, we, and they. You could make a lot of short sentence with object. Don't use the verbs. Don't confuse yourself in this question. I am going to make sentence only with object and short sentence. Then you will understand in the past how to use this helping verb. He was with me. See? He was with us. She was with us. So like that you could make some sentence. It was my watch. Like that. We were there. They were with us. So short. Oh look, मेरे साथ था. Oh look, उधर था. He was with me means वो आदमी मेरे साथ था. He was with me. It was my watch. वो मेरे watch था. So short sentence में आप sentence बना सकते हैं. Verbs मत use करना, object use करना. All this object only I have given you here. Positive sentence. Let us see. इधर छोटी sentence बनाते हैं. Subject, past, object. I was with him. मैं उसके साथ था. He was my neighbor. He was my neighbor. वो आदमी मेरा neighbor था. था अभी नहीं है, था. She was a teacher in my college. वो मेरा कॉलेज में टीचर थी. It was bad habit. वो बुरा आदत था. कोई बोल रहे हैं आपको it was a bad habit smoking. वो bad habit था. ऐसे बोल रहे हैं आप. सभी था आता है. We were colleagues. हम लोग colleagues था ऑफिस में. हम लोग colleague था ऑफिस में. वो लोग मेरा colleague था. colleagues था. You were a student. आप student था. In the college. In those days you could use it. They were good people. वो लोग अच्छी people था. In that city or in that village. There were good people in that city. There were good people in that town. You could use it. And hit, I would like to tell you another sentence. It was a nice building. See, it was a nice building. वो बहुत अच्छी building था. In that area, you could make it was a nice building. It was a nice car. It was a nice day. It was a cloudy day. You could make any lots of sentence over here. ज़्यादा sentence बना सकते हैं इधर. Cloudy बोला तो बादल. Let us see some examples. I was in Delhi. मैं दिल्ली में था. Yesterday or last week or this morning, you could use it here. मैं दिल्ली में था this morning, or you could use last night. You could use he was my classmate. वो मेरे classmate था. वो मेरे classmate था. He was my classmate. She was a spinster. Spinster means unmarried person. It is already written here. शादी नहीं हुआ उसको. So she was a spinster. It was my car. There. It was my car. वो मेरे कार था. We were in the bus. हम लोग बस में था. When you called me, you could use little extra sentence, or train or plane. We were in the bus or train or plane. You were in the hospital. आप hospital में था. Yesterday you were in the hospital when we came there. When we came home. Also you could use it. Raju was angry with me. राजू को गुस्सा था मेरे साथ. He was angry with me. Here you have some negative sentence. Negative sentence, subject plus wasn't, weren't plus object. I wasn't a bad boy. मैं बुरा आदमी नहीं था. Boy नु, I wasn't a bad boy. मैं बुरा लड़का नहीं था. They weren't gangsters. They weren't gangsters means people who play cards and go here and there, go in the bar, play cards. So that people call as a gangsters. बुरे लोग होता है, पीता है, झगड़ा करता है. That people are called as a gangsters. So they weren't gangsters means वो लोग नहीं था gangsters. Questions was slash word plus subject plus object. Was he your teacher? वो आपका टीचर था. Your answer है was he teacher? Yes he was. बोला तो हाँ, वो मेरा टीचर था. हाँ, नहीं बोलने को no he wasn't. वो नहीं था टीचर. Were they electricians? Yes they were. This much is enough if you understand. But when depends on the people you talk. If you wanted to use this electrician here, you go yes they were electrician. No they weren't electrician. Also you could give वो लोग electrician था. No they weren't. वो लोग नहीं था. We shall make few exercise here. Positive sentence, possible sentence. Write 5 sentence about how you were in the fast. Positive fast, how you were. आप कैसे था fast में. क्या कर रहा था, क्या कर रही थी आप. इधर you could make some good sentence. You could make I was a student in that college. मैं स्टूडेंट थी और था इन दैट कॉलेज, वो कॉलेज में मैं स्टूडेंट था, मैं स्टूडेंट थी। आई वॉज अ गुड फ्रेंड टू हिम फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, मैं गुड फ्रेंड था उसको फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, बहुत टाइम के लिए। आई वॉज एंग्री विद हिम, मैं बहुत गुस्से में था उसके साथ, बट ही वॉजंट एंग्री विद मी, मैं गुस्से में था, वो गुस्से में नहीं था। सो आई वॉज एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी, एक्सट्रीमली बोला तो वेरी वेरी हैप्पी, बट ही वॉजंट हैप्पी। बट लगा के, कंजंक्शन लगा के सिचुएशन सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं आप। इधर नेगेटिव सेंटेंस we shall make few. Write 5 sentence with I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Negative sentence. Here we weren't in that college. We weren't means हम लोग वो कॉलेज में नहीं था। In Delhi or whichever the place name you could mention here, she wasn't nurse in that hospital, but I was a nurse. वो लड़की नर्स नहीं थी, बट मैं नर्स थी, बट आई वॉज अ नर्स। बट कंजंक्शन यूज करके बड़ा कर सकता है सेंटेंस। वी weren't happy with them. सो भी यूज़ कर सकता है, हम लोग हैप्पी नहीं थी उसके साथ, सो शी वॉज हैंग्री विथ अस। हम लोग खुश नहीं थे उसके साथ, सो वो लड़के को पसंद नहीं था, सो शी वॉज नॉट हैप्पी। It wasn't my book. It wasn't my book, but it was his book. मेरा बुक नहीं था, बट लगा के her book, but it was a her book. You could make few questions are there here. Was he worker? It's a question. Write 5 questions with was and were. This is a single, this is a plural. So we shall make a short sentence, Was he worker here? Was he worker here? It's a question mark. Question mark. वो आदमी इधर काम करने वाला है, इसे पूछेंगे। आप पूछ रहे हैं Was it he cashier? Was it cash? Was he cashier? You could make was he cashier? Question mark. Was it cash? Sometime you're giving check, so they are asking was it cash? You could use it. Was he cashier? He wasn't cashier. You could use it here. Were they in the office? Of course they are in the office. Were they in the office? Of course, question mark. Of course they were in the office. You could use was it a good office for you? Was it good office for you? It is. Is a question mark? It is. Was it cloudy yesterday? Was it cloudy means बादल अच्छी नहीं था, बारिश आने वाले को वो cloudy, very cloudy, it's going to rain heavily. बादल बारिश आने वाला था, cloudy मोड बोलता है। So it wasn't cloudy, it was cloudy. आपको कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं इधर। Now I shall teach you few verbs. Let's go and learn I shall teach you few verbs every chapter as I said. I will read it for you from here where I stopped. Choose. Creep, creep, creeping, crept, crept. Deal, dealing, dealt, dealt. Drowse, drowsing, drowsed, drowsed. Drench, drenching, drenched, drenched. Drizzle, drizzling, drizzled, drizzled. Dig, digging, dug, dug. Do, doing, did, done. Draw, drawing, drew, drawn. Drink, drinking, drank, drunk. These 10 verbs you learn will cover drive, drive, driving, drew, driven. So this meaning I will tell you. Money plants creeps. It's called creeper. Creeper creeps on the wall. So creep बोला तो वो बच्चे भी पेट में आँखें हाके जाता है. वो कॉकरोच इधर उधर घूमता है. That is called creep. You can take crawl and creep is same meaning. It will give you. Deal. Deal with business. Deal with your friend's problem. You could use this one. Deal, dealing, dealt, dealt. That man deals with finance. So वो आदमी फाइनेंस के साथ डील कर रहे हैं. प्रॉब्लम भी डील करना. ड्राउस, ड्राउस, डोंट ड्राउस. Don't sit and drowse. Drowse means sit and sleep and fall down. वो बैठ के सो के गिरना. So वो ड्राउस बोलते हैं. ज़्यादा स्लीप आता है लोग को एक बार. ड्रेंच बोला तो भीगना. Drench means you get drenched in the rain. When the rain comes, when you go out, you say, I got drenched in the rain. Don't drench in the rain. Bhegna mat. So you could use bhegna. Drizzle bola to choti si barish. Drizzle means small rain outside. So drizzle, that called drizzle. You use don't go outside, it is drizzling. You could use it. Continuous it is. Drizzle means choti si barish. Dig. You dig some small pit or a small hole. Dig. Mud, you dig a hole there. Dig बोला तो खोदना. छोटा सा होल वो खोदना. रोड खोदना. Do, you do some work. और करो. Draw picture, draw you could do. Or bank draw. Draw the money, draw the picture. You could use it here. And you could also use your draw करो बैंक से पैसा. Draw karo picture on the wall. Drink, pio. Drink coffee, tea. Pio. Drive. You drive the car. You drive car. आप चलाओ गाड़ी. Drive आता है. So I shall stop here. I hope you got and read correctly. It is very essential for you to interact with others. Thank you. I have covered chapter 13. It's a beautiful sentence with object you have made, short sentence. Kindly go through that. It will help you to interact with others. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe and give a like. It will help me to teach you more. And next chapter I will be covering chapter 14. Thank you.